Here is a 2014 Goodman heat pump at one of my family members' house in South Carolina. Gained a little bit of rust and some paint fade, and it is starting to rust a lot more. It's kind of windy out. This is actually, I think, my first video of it at night. I could be wrong though. This logo, I put that logo on it maybe a couple of years ago. By now, it's already starting to fade because of the area that this unit is in. Inside down there. Here's the reversing valve, if you can see.
I just started stopping.
Here's the disconnect box. Here's this label right here, which I believe wasn't as faded last time I was here. And the energy guide still exists. Here's the data. 2014. Okay, so that's it.